locations that will experience flash flooding include Deep Gap, Cascade Falls, and Summit. This includes the following streams and drainages: Little Fork Creek, Flat Branch, Elk Creek, Stony Fork, Left Prong Stony Fork, Hobbits Creek, North Prong Lewis Fork, South Fork New River, Little Fork, Fall Creek, West Fork Pine Swamp Creek, and South Prong Lewis Fork. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. High pressure off the Atlantic. Abundant moisture ahead of an approaching cold front will produce widespread heavy rain showers and thunderstorms across the North Carolina mountains tonight. The Tennessee border, and thunderstorms could produce locally higher amounts in areas that experience 1 to 2 inch per hour rainfall rates. Showers and thunderstorms repeatedly impact the Tennessee border counties of the North Carolina mountains tonight may lead to excessive rainfall and flooding. Flooding of water will develop in the lowland and forest areas. Many streams and creeks will rise to near bank due to the runoff from the heavy rain, and some stream flooding is likely. If the rainfall reaches 5 inches in steeply sloped areas, the risk of landslides and rock slides will increase. If you live on a mountainside or in a cove at the base of a mountain, especially near a stream, be ready to leave in advance of the storm or as quickly as possible should rising water, moving earth, or rocks threaten. Also, be prepared to move to higher ground quickly if a flash flood warning or actual flooding is observed near your location. These are the 4 p.m. Eastern.
Yep, FFA. It was just issued.
Come on. Your thunderstorm warning for Central Moore County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central Carolina, in central North Carolina, Eastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Southern Lee County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Southern Pines to Laurinburg, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rayford, Carthage, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Maxton, Hoffman, and Antioch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms are producing excessive amounts of deadly lightning. Get to a safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina. The National
Oh my God. North Carolina Amber Alert!
This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. I repeat, this is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Perkin County Sheriff's Office is searching for Gabriel Newman. Gabriel is a 1-year-old black male approximately 30 inches tall and weighing 21 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. Gabriel Newman was last seen wearing a black and white Nike outfit, shorts with a black and white Nike logo. The abductor, Gregory Wendell Newman, is described as a black male, 6 feet tall, 190 pounds, with black long dreadlocks and brown eyes. Gregory also has a tattoo of a dollar sign over the right eye, love and hate tattooed over the left and right hand, and a tattoo of the letter G on the right arm. Gregory was last seen wearing a white shirt with fire flames on it.
North Carolina Amber Alert!
And a light colored pair of jeans with patches. Gregory was also wearing a scarf over his dreads. They were last seen traveling on NC Highway 57 northbound towards Danville, Virginia, in a black 2015 Volkswagen Passat. Information regarding this abduction, call Perkin County Sheriff's Office immediately at 336-597-0500 or dial 911 or start. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. I repeat, this is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Perkin County Sheriff's Office is searching for Gabriel Newman. 30 inches tall, weighing 21 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. And a tattoo of the letter G on the right arm. Gregory was black. The abductor, Gregory Wendell Newman, is described as a black male, 6 feet tall, 190 pounds, with black long dreadlocks and brown. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. I repeat, this is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Perkin County Sheriff's Office is searching for Gabriel Newman.
L Lincoln 8320. That's TDL 8320. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Perkin County Sheriff's Office immediately at 336-597-0500 or down 911 or start HC Highway Patrol.
Newman is described as tattoo of a dollar sign over the right eye. Love and hate tattoos over the left and right hand. And a tattoo the letter G. 0500 or dial 911 or star HP for Highway Patrol. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert. He was also wearing a scarf over his dreads. They were last seen traveling on NC Highway 57 northbound towards Danville, Virginia, in a black 2015 Volkswagen Passat. North Carolina Registration. They were last seen traveling on NC Highway 57 northbound towards Danville, Virginia, in a black 2015 Volkswagen Passat. North Carolina registration. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Person County Sheriff's Office immediately at 336 TDL 8320. If you have any information regarding this abduction, or star HP for Highway Patrol Office immediately at North Carolina Amber Alert 597-0500 or dial 911 or star HP for Highway Patrol. This is a North Carolina Amber.
Hype man, pop. Conference.
Jesus Christ!
What? I don't get it. They're trying it again.
WRVA, come on, 1140, 1140, 1140, 1140, 1140, 1140, 1140, 1140, 1140, 1140, 1140, 1140!
What's happening? What's going on?
SVR from Wakefield. There they go. They're doing it. Ah!
I have two things here.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Surrey, Cumberland County, Prince Edward County, Northwestern Lombard County, Nottoway County, Amelia County, Southwestern Powhatan County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Prospect to near Hanford City College to near Ivesville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and heavy size hail. Source, radar indicated. Damage to trees from power lines. Severe thunderstorms would be near Rice and Green Bay around 9:50 p.m. Birchville around 9:55 p.m. Crew, Nottoway, and Petersville around 10:05 p.m. Blackstone, Amelia Courthouse, Moreland and Tobaccoville around 10:15 p.m. Plainville, Scottsport and Ballsville around 10:20 p.m. Missoula and Macon around 10:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Wings Tavern, North Wildville, Kendall, Prince Edward Station, Angola, Riley, Earls, Twin Lakes State Park, Winterton, and Chinville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at FWS.
All right.
Got it?
Yep. All right. Got fresh batteries in. And I'm ready to record. PDS, 94.1, 94.1, 94.1, 94.1, 94.1, 94.1,
Guilford County, 2 a.m. At 11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Around 1 inch of rain since 10:15 p.m. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source.
Whoa!
Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban
I'm
areas,
not comfortable
highways, streets, and
with that.
underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Winston-Salem, Kernersville, Clements, Huntsville, Louisville, Summerfield, Sturgisdale, Walkertown, Seoul Hall, Stanleyville, Foxtown, Sedge Garden, Bellows Creek, Colfax, Bellows Lake, and Donia. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Friday for the following counties in North Carolina, Forsyth, and Guilford. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Friday for the following counties in North Carolina, Forsyth, and Guilford.
Jigsaw puzzles, you know, from time you put together. They were very popular, by the way, puzzles during the pandemic. These School.
Look at this shit. Fucking NASCAR heat. Fuck. NASCAR heat. 5th time this shit happened while the fucking loading screen happened. This is the 5th time, no pun intended, that this fucking happened.
Can't go for 6.
6th time.
Why not Jimmy Johnson? Go for 7 times.
Look at how many. The song. Look how much hard drive activity is being used. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. God motherfucking damn.
Oh, God's sake.
Now the fucking. Oh my. 8 times. I fucking give up on this shit, man. I give up.